Good morning, students. In my previous video, I discussed on the first three paragraphs of how the dog found himself a master. Now, in this video, I will start explaining from paragraph number 4. First, I want to read it for you. They walked and they walked, and all of a sudden, the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. What's come over you, master? He asked. What has frightened you so? Can't you see there is a bear out there and he might eat both of us, you and me? So, this is paragraph of 4. I have read it for you. Now, I want to discuss the important words here. Dirted. Okay, you have seen some new words. Dirted. Okay, dirted means moved quickly. Another word is certainly come over you means affected you. Snipped, draw off ear audibly, uh, through the nose to detect something. So these are the important words of this paragraph. Now let us come to the explanation. Then I will tell you the rest of the paragraphs. After walking a long distance, suddenly the wolf sniffed, moved quickly, and went deeper into the forest. After walking a long distance, they were walking. Both of them were walking, and after walking a long distance, suddenly the wolf sniffed. Snipped you means the minute sniff means draw up audibly through the nose to detect something like this. Uh, Moved quickly and went deeper into the forest. He was detecting something and was trying to hide. He was detecting something. Detecting. He was trying to look for something. He was detecting something and was trying to hide. The dog was unable to understand this behavior, and dog was unable to understand why his master was behaving like this. So he asked his master, what is affecting him? So why are you behaving like this? He asked his master, the wolf. Then the wolf told him that there is a bear who might eat them. Then the dog came to know that the wolf was also afraid of the bear. Now come to the next paragraph, paragraph number 5. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, let us go and find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow and then we can both eat your fill. This is paragraph number 5. Uh, Important words readily, promptly. There only one important word is here and from this paragraph. I'm going to come to the explanation. Okay. So, on realizing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog changed his mind. So, when the dog came to know that the wolf was afraid of the bear, so he changed his decision. He realized that uh, the bear was stronger than the wolf. So, on realizing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog changed his mind. He left the wolf and turned to the bear. Okay, he considered now he looked upon the bear as his master. He asked him to be his master. Okay, the bear agreed to it. Asked him means the bear. Okay, the bear agreed to it easily, and agreed to it easily. He suggested him to search for a herd of cows. Herd means a herd of cows, so that he could kill a cow to fill their stomachs. Okay, that was paragraph number 5. In my next video, I will discuss on the rest of the paragraphs.